Good afternoon, students. Now we will start chapter 3. Find out page number 21. Chapter 3, Uses of a Computer. COMPUTER, computer. So first, computer has become essential. ESSENTIAL, essential part of our life. LIFE, life. Computer has become essential part of our life. It helps us in many many ways. WAYS, ways. It helps us in many ways. It can do different DIFFERENT, different types, TYPES, types of work. It makes MAKES, makes our work easier, 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 and faster, FASTER, faster. Let's learn about uses of a computer. COMPUTER, computer at different, DIFFERENT, different places, PLACES, places. So first, computer has become essential. Essential means needful. A computer has become needful part of our life. Computer is a smarter machine than other machines which can do variety of work. A computer work very fast. It make our work easier. Let's learn about uses of computer at different places. Uses of computers. Computers are used in different places for different kinds of work. So first is home. Uses of computer at home. Watching, WATCHING, watching movies, 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 and listening, LISTENING, listening to music, MUSIC, music. Watching movies and listening to music. We can use of computer for watching movies and listening to music. Next, playing games. PLAYING, playing games. GAMES, games. It is useful for playing games. First, we have to do download games application and then we can play game. Drawing. DRAWING, drawing, pictures. PICTURES, pictures. We can drawing pictures in computer. Helping in doing homework. HOMEWORK, homework. So it help us in doing our homework. Uses of computer at schools. SCHOOLS, schools. Keeping, KEEPING, keeping records, RECORDS, records of books, 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 and helping, HELPING, helping teachers, TEACHERS, teachers in teaching, TEACHING, teaching. Keeping records of books and helping teachers in teaching. A computer has useful for keeping records of books and helping teachers. Next, helping students. STUDENTS, students in their studies. So it is essential part of students' life in their study. Making timetable and report card. So we can use of computer for making school timetable and report cards. Next, use of computer at shops and offices. SHOPS, shops, and offices, OFFICES, offices. First, keeping records of items. Records, RECORDS, records of items, ITEMS, items. So computers are used to keep records of item. Printing bills, PRINTING, T-I-N-G, printing bills, B-I-L-L-S. It helps us for printing bills. Sending, S-E-N-D-I-N-G, sending and receiving, R-E-C-E-I-V-I-N-G, receiving mails, M-A-I-L-S, mails. So it is useful printing bills, sending and receiving mails. Keeping records of employees, E-M-P-L-O-Y-E-E-S, employees and their salaries, S-A-L-A-R-I-E-S, salaries. Computers are used to keep records of employees and their salaries. Page turn. Next, hotels, H-O-T-E-L-S, hotels. Uses of computers at hotels. First, keeping details, D-E-T-A-I-L-S, details of guests, G-U-E-S-T-S, guests, and their stay, T-H-E-I-R, their stay, S-T-A-Y, stay in the hotel, H-O-T-E-L, hotel. Computers are used to keep details of guests and their stay in the hotel. Keeping a list of the rooms in the hotel. It helps us in keep a list of the rooms in the hotel. Printing bills. Computers are useful for printing bills. Next, banks, B-A-N-K-S, banks. Uses of computer at banks. Keeping the details of bank account. So computers are used to keep detail of bank account. It helps us in withdrawing, W-I-T-H-D-R-A-W-I-N-G, withdrawing money from ATMs, ATMs. Next, railway station and airport, R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway station, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-S, stations, and airport, A-I-R-P-O-R-T-S, airports. Uses of computer at railway station and airport. Booking tickets, B-O-O-K-I-N-G, booking tickets, T-I-C-K-E-T-S, tickets. Computers help in booking tickets. Keeping records of all passengers, P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S, passengers. So computers are used to keep records of all passengers. Giving information, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, information about the arrival, A-R-R-I-V-A-L, arrival and departure, D-E-P-A-R-T-U-R-E, departure, time of trains and aeroplanes, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E-S, aeroplanes. Giving information about the arrival and departure, time of trains and aeroplanes. Computers are useful for given information about the arrival and departure time of train and aeroplanes. Next, designing, D-E-S-I-G-I-G-N-I-N-G, designing. Designing clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, machines, M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S, machines, buildings, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S, buildings, flyover, F-L-Y-O-V-E-R, flyover, etc., etc., etc. Computer help in designing clothes, machines, buildings, and flyovers, etc. Designing and printing books, newspapers, magazines. Printing, P-R-I-N-T-I-N-G, printing books, newspaper, N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R-S, newspapers, magazines, M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E-S, magazines, etc. So computer help in designing and printing books, newspapers and magazines, etc. Next, films. Creating, creating, creating animated movies, animated, animated movies. Animation is the process of preparing lively cartoons. Computer is useful for creating animation movie. Animation movie is the process of preparing lively cartoons. एनिमेशन प्रोसेस है लाइवली कार्टून प्रिपेयर करने का. नेक्स्ट, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. RESEARCH, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. DEVELOPMENT, डेवलपमेंट. रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. यूजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर एट रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. Launching, LAUNCHING, launching satellites, SATELLITS, satellites. Rockets, ROCKETS, rockets. And missiles, MISSILES, missiles. Computers are useful for launching satellites, rockets and missiles. It helps us in designing robots. For designing robots. DESIGNING, designing robots. ROBOTS, robots. Forecasting weather. Computers help in forecasting weather. FORECASTING, forecasting weather. WEATHER, weather. Computer help in forecasting weather. Thank you class. Chapter 3 has complete. So read at home. In next video we will do book exercise and question answers. Thank you class.